lakad ulit.
Shut the world outside until the lights come on. Maybe the streets are alive, maybe the trees are gone. I feel my heart stop beating to my favorite song. Music up, I'm on the world aside. The hammer is inside. I turn the music up, I got my records on. From underneath the rug, we'll sing around.
Anong masasabi nyo?
Napakaganda!
This feeling and my pulses start. Cathedrals in my heart, a sweet song. What is life? I swear you emerged beginning to tell me it's alright. A sweet song. Every sound is a symphony, but every tear's a waterfall. It's a waterfall. It's a waterfall. It's a waterfall. Every teardrop, it's a waterfall. So you can't hurt me back, but still I'll raise the flag. It was a waterfall.
Here sa Tanagtog Falls kasama si Art, Jay at si Joji. Woo! We're here sa taas ng ito na yung third level ng falls. So, ayan, may fourth floor pa. Akit namin. May ikaapat pa kaya lang. Yung ikaapat, si Lord na yung nandun. Langit na yun. So, ayan. Doon, tapos yun. Doon sa baba, may second floor and may first floor pa. So, ito na yung pinakatuktok. Baba na rin kayo mamaya. The best! Galing! Nag-uula ka pa, nag-uula. Nag-uula at Jay, the vlogger!